Hi, my name is Frank Franzisi, and I'm the Educational Technology Specialist Teacher here at Comstock School District. Today we have something fun in store for you. We are going to be doing the unboxing of the Acer Spin 511 for all incoming freshman students. Okay, so let's take a look at what's in the new Acer Chromebook box. So I'm going to just open it up for us. And this over here. So it comes with the power cord, which is separated into two pieces. So we'll put that to the side. And it comes with the important documentation if you want to read a little bit about it. So it comes with that as well. And obviously the Chromebook itself. So I'm going to take this out and take this protective covering off, and we'll just put the box to the side. So before we get into the Chromebook and turning it on, the Chromebook comes with 4 gigabytes of RAM. It comes with 32 gigabytes of hard drive space. It's a touch screen. It comes with a dual-core 1 gigahertz processor. It's got Bluetooth 5. It also has USB-C connections. So if you take a look at where I'm pointing right over here, the USB-C connections, and it comes with 10 hours of battery life. So it's a nice amount of battery life on here. As far as the power cord is concerned, again, it comes in 2 pieces. If we take it out of its plastic, you'll notice one piece goes into the other piece. Really easy. And then you've got one part goes into the USB connection and the other part goes into the wall. Okay, so the USB connection is right here. Now that we've got it unboxed, let's take a look at the Chromebook and what it can do. So first thing is you might want to use it as a laptop. So if you want to use it as a laptop, just open it up. Generally what'll happen is the Chromebook will turn on as soon as you open it up. If it does not turn on for some reason, there is a power button over here on the left-hand side of the Chromebook. Now, once it's turned on, it'll bring you to a login screen. This is where you'll be able to log in using your ComSawag login account. If you don't want to use it as a laptop, you can always put it in what we call tent mode. If you put it in tent mode, this is now where you can just have it in front of you. You can use your fingers. It's a touch screen. It's wonderful that way. Also, the keyboard disables when you have it in the tent mode. So you'll have to use it as a touch screen. The other mode that you might have this in would be as a tablet, which is just to simply put the 2 pieces together, and depending on how you have it or how you're holding it, it's either going to be in landscape or in portrait mode. So again, it moves how you hold it. The camera should only be used if your teacher is aware of the camera being used. At ComSawag, you are prohibited in using the camera in recording without the full knowledge of the teacher of the class. So the camera cannot be used for recording unless the teacher is aware of it. So the Chromebook is a fragile device. So putting it in your book bag, throwing the book bag across the room, doing anything that might damage the Chromebook is prohibited. If you have trouble with your Chromebook, you can bring it to the Chromebook Help Desk location in Guidance near the stairs. We understand that accidents happen with your Chromebook, and to speak to you more about that, here's Mr. Heber.
Hello freshmen, I'm Mr. Heber, I'm the District Administrator for Instructional Technology. I want to take a moment to just talk to you about the insurance agreement that we worked out with our partners CDWG and Acer. One of the things we were able to do, which is great for the community, is we were able to get the insurance down to $50 for a one-time fee for the community. In the years past, we've had insurance for each year individually. This is going to be a one-time $50 fee that you'll pay in 9th grade, and it'll cover your insurance throughout your 4 years here in Comstock. So students, please take some time to review this document with your parents. There's a spot for the students to sign as well as the parents to sign. There's also more information on our district website, or if you lose this form, you can download it on the district website. We're asking the students to bring in a $50 check or money order payable to Comstock High School before or on September 10th. You will receive your Chromebook during your English classes on September 10th, provided you have the signed documentation and payment, and you can walk away with your Chromebook in hand.